Bharatiya Janata Party leader Varun Gandhi on Saturday paid tribute to father of the nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on his 152nd birth anniversary. He also slammed a counter trend being popularized by a section of Twitter praising Nathuram Godse, who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi, also known as father of the nation. He said in a tweet, India has always been a spiritual superpower, but it is the Mahatma who articulated our nation's spiritual underpinnings through his being and gave us a moral authority that remains our greatest strength even today. Those tweeting Godse Zindabad are irresponsibly shaming the nation, Varun Gandhi said in his tweet. He did not use any hashtag, but his post has received close to 1000 tweets and over 5000 likes within an hour on Gandhi Jayanti. Hashtag Nathuram Godse Zindabad is among the top trends on Twitter on Saturday. Though this may come up as a surprise for many Twitter users, the microblogging website has an algorithm which enables a particular topic to trend. Twitter has said that the trends is served to users based on a combination of factors, including the geographical location, their interest, and the handles they follow. But the Trends tab, from where Varun Gandhi picked up the Godse trend, is based on the number of tweets being posted on a particular topic or name, and this tab is not customized for a user. This algorithm identifies topics that are popular now rather than topics that have been popular for a while or on a daily basis to help you discover the hottest emerging topic of discussion on Twitter, the microblogging website said in an explainer. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the nation in paying tributes to Mahatma Gandhi. Prime Minister Modi paid floral tributes to the father of the nation at Rajghat. Several union ministers and other political leaders also paid tributes to Mahatma Gandhi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that Gandhi's ideas of Swadeshi, Swabhasha and Swaraj will continue to inspire the countrymen for a long time. However, it must be noted, born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar town of Gujarat, Mahatma Gandhi or Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi adopted a non-violent resistance and was at the forefront of the freedom struggle against the colonial British rule. This led to India finally achieving its independence in 1949. This led to India finally achieving its independence in 1947. Fondly known as Bapu, his unwavering belief in Swaraj, that is self-governance, and Ahimsa, that is non-violence, won him accolades across the world. Globally, Gandhi's birth anniversary is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. Several events are held in India and across the world to mark this occasion. However, it must be noted that Varun Gandhi is the first from the Bharatiya Janata Party, the ruling party, to speak against the trend celebrating Nathuram Godse. The top functionaries of the BJP, including the party president, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister, have maintained a conspicuous silence on this issue. It must be also noted that it was Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, BJP's Bhopal MP, who had also said that Nathuram Godse was a Deshbhakt, that is, he was a patriot. However, she had apologized for her statement later on, and Prime Minister Modi also said that he could not forgive her for her statement. However, it must also be noted that such statements continue from those supporting the right wing.